This is science. This is geography notes of first chapter India size and location notes. Location. The Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 north divides the country into almost two equal parts. In India we have Andaman and Nicobar, Easy Land is the Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep island in the Arabian Sea. Size. The land mass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 24% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the seventh largest country of the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km and the total length of the coastline of the mainland including Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 km. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degree. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India 82 degree 30 east passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the standard time for the whole country. अब हम इसके क्वेश्चन से स्टार्ट करेंगे. एक्सरसाइज. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. Choose the right answer from the 4 alternatives given below. First, the Tropic of Cancer does not pass through. B. Odisha. Second है the easternmost longitude of India is first 97 degree 25 Celsius east. Third, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal and Sikkim have common frontiers with C. Nepal. Question 4. If you intend to visit Kavadi during your summer vacation, which one of the following Union territories of India you will be going to? B. Lakshadweep. Fifth, my friend hails from a country which does not share land boundary with India. Tajikistan. Question number 2. Answer the following question briefly. First, name the group of island lying in the Arabian Sea. Solution है Lakshadweep. Second, name the countries which are larger than India. Australia, Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil. Third, which island group of India lies to its southeast? Solution, Andaman and Nicobar Island. Fourth, which island countries are our southern neighbors? Solution, Sri Lanka, Maldives. Then third question, the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west, but the watches show the same time. How does this happen? Solution, this is because from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh there is a time lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India 82 degree 30 east passing through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh is taken as the standard time for the whole country. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. Question 4. The central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean is considered of great significance. Why? Solution: the Trans-Indian Ocean roads which connect the country of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a strategic central location to India. This is Geography first chapter notes and question answer. Well done. Thank you for watching.